Today, we're going to talk about one of the most exciting new phones from Huawei, the Pura 80 Ultra. It's the top model in the new Pura 80 series lineup. Alongside the regular Pura 80, Pura 80 Pro, and Pura 80 Pro Plus, this Ultra version is packed with the best features Huawei has to offer. In this video, I'll share 5 of its most impressive features that make it a true flagship phone you'll want to check out. Let's start with the camera system. Huawei is known for making phones with great cameras, and the Pura 80 Ultra is no exception. On the back, you get not 1, not 2, but 5 cameras, each with its own job. The main camera is a 50-megapixel sensor that comes with optical image stabilization. What makes it special is its variable aperture, which can adjust from f1.6 to f4.0, letting in more or less light depending on your shot. There's also a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with sensor shift stabilization, which means your zoomed-in photos stay sharp and clear. If you need even more zoom, a 12.5-megapixel ultra telephoto camera is there for those faraway shots. For wide shots like landscapes or big group pictures, a 40-megapixel ultra-wide camera does the job, capturing rich details. The fifth camera is a 1.5-megapixel multispectral sensor that helps improve color accuracy and dynamic range, making photos look more natural. What makes these cameras work together so well is Huawei's triple real-time fusion technology. This system combines images from multiple cameras instantly to produce clearer, brighter, and better contrasted photos, especially in low-light situations. The zoom is seriously impressive too, offering 3.7x and 9.4x optical zoom and up to 100x digital zoom, while still keeping good image quality. Now, let's talk about the display. The Pura 80 Ultra looks stunning, thanks to its 6.8-inch OLED screen with curved edges on all 4 sides. It uses LTPO technology, meaning the screen's refresh rate can automatically adjust up to 120 Hz depending on what you're doing. This saves battery when you don't need super smooth visuals but still gives you a fast, responsive experience for games and videos. The screen is incredibly bright, reaching up to 3000 nits, so using your phone outside on a sunny day won't be a problem. It supports FHD plus resolution. HD are vivid and can display over 1 billion colors, so everything from videos to photos too. Games will look crisp and vibrant. Huawei also made the screen tougher by using Kunlun glass too, which is much more resistant to drops and scratches than before. Moving on to battery and charging, Huawei packed a big 5700 mAh battery inside the Pura 80 Ultra. That's plenty for a full day of heavy use. But the real highlight is its charging speeds. You get 100-watt wired charging, 80-watt wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging to top up your earbuds or another phone. Best of all, it stays cool while charging fast, thanks to an advanced cooling system. Another standout feature is satellite communication. The Pura 80 Ultra supports Qiantong satellite connectivity, which means if you're in a place without network coverage, like hiking in the mountains or during an emergency, you can still send messages, make calls, and even share photos via satellite. Once connected, it keeps the link stable without needing to keep adjusting your position. It's a great safety feature for travelers and people in remote areas. Lastly, the design of the Pura 80 Ultra is as premium as its features. It comes in 2 classy colors, black and gold. The camera setup on the back is placed inside a unique triangular module, with 3 large camera rings giving it a modern, futuristic look. The back also has a subtle line texture that adds a nice touch. The phone feels solid in hand, measuring 163 millimeters tall, 76.1 millimeters wide, and just 8.3 millimeters thick, weighing around 233 grams. It's a phone that not only looks high-end, but feels it too. Huawei really went all in with this phone. Whether you love taking photos, enjoy powerful gadgets, or just want a solid, reliable phone, the Pura 80 Ultra delivers. If you found this video helpful, Leave a like and tell me your thoughts in the comments. Is Huawei making a serious comeback with this phone? And make sure to subscribe for more updates, hands-on tests, and camera samples coming soon. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.